see on the dash clock, it's just after 8 p.m. and I'm headed out to the department store to get some oil and a filter to do the oil change on my RAV4 here. We've got the oil in the filter. We're gonna go do the oil change quick now. It's 8:22 p.m. It's past my bedtime. All right, here she is. Start with removing the engine oil cap here. All right, it looks like the size we're working with is a 14 millimeter. So this is underneath my RAV4. Overall, pretty clean. Seen worse. And then you gotta reach for the oil filter down in there, and the engine's hot. It's very hot, but it just started to turn. Ooh. Oh. There we go. I'll put that drain plug back in and I'll snug it up. I'll lower her down, install the new oil filter, fill the oil back up. There it is. Just nice and snug. Nothing crazy. I believe I have a funnel back here. There we go. Now I'll slowly start adding some oil. We'll fill it up to about 4 liters and checking the oil level and to ensure it's at the perfect level. Let me know what kind of oil you guys use in your vehicle. Last time I went with the MotoMaster high mileage full synthetic, but this was the fancier kind and it was on sale, so I figured I'd give it a try and see how it does. I will check the level. Oh, should be right around there. Appears that we are full. Put the oil cap back on. All right, we're gonna fire it up. This car only has 220,000 kilometers on it. Turn it off. Now we'll check the oil level again. She's all full. Well, I will continue to check the level often. Obviously just something you do with these older cars. I'll have to get a new sticker. See how she starts now. Awesome. All right, this oil change was done at 227,000 kilometers. Gotta get gas. This new GoPro update's super cool. I'm able to preview the footage on my phone while I'm recording. I was not able to do that before, so this is awesome. As you guys might have seen in the last video, we had a lot of snow recently, negative 20 plus weather, and now we're in the positives, I think 2 degrees Celsius. Big change, so the snow will probably melt this coming week and it'll be real messy. Compared to the last video, the wipers work great now that they don't have ice frozen to them also. There's proof that the wipers are not from 1998, as someone joked about in the comment section. There's a nice 3rd gen 4Runner right ahead of me. It's such a fun car to drive around in the snow and the slush. It handles great and it powers through. It has a ton of traction and handling, so it makes for a really fun ride. Still figuring things out with this channel, but if you like what you've been seeing with the Rav4, feel free to subscribe and stick around.